Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to check serial number on iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go your setting. Just tap on settings. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see option of general. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see option of about. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, again a new interface you can see on your screen just like this. Here you can see all your information regarding your uh, uh, Apple phone. Okay, regarding your iPhone. Okay, your serial number, like your serial number, version, model, Bluetooth, EMI number, etc, etc. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.